Just relax. Let your body do what it does best. It is a beautiful organism. It is a beautiful mechanism. So just chill, just relax. So now it is on the day of the party. So what happens the next day when you get up in the morning? Be prepared. Soak ajwain crushed water, like 1 teaspoon of ajwain, crush it and soak it in a glass of water. And early morning when you get up, just have that. It will help your liver to digest all the food and alcohol what you have taken the previous night. And after that, how you can go about it. So first and foremost, keep coconut water handy at your home because that will really help with electrolyte imbalance. So before breakfast, you need to have coconut water, and before lunch, another glass of coconut water. Other than that, that morning, go for a nice green smoothie. Add spinach, you add avocado, you add magnesium with sunflower seeds or maybe with pumpkin seed. You add some vegan protein powder if you are a supplement drinker, and then have a beautiful smoothie. And then just feel relaxed. If you can have ice along with that. Your lunch will be also, this time, it has to be protein. Your body needs protein and also complex carbohydrate. So it could be brown rice, it could be quinoa, it could be sweet potato grilled, and it can be chicken breast, it can be grilled fish, anything you prefer. It can be tofu, something of that sort you need to have for your lunch. And then just rest. Please do not work out the day after the party because that time your body needs to relax. Your liver is working overtime to metabolize the alcohol. You do not want to stress your body even more. So please do not feel guilty that, okay, I've drunk, so I need to burn some calories. No, just relax. Let your body do what it does best. It is a beautiful organism. It is a beautiful mechanism. So just chill, just relax. And then have a proper lunch, rest. And then for evening, go for a tomato soup or some kind of a clear chicken soup, something with a lot of water. So keep the content, keep having mineral-rich, nutrient-rich food mostly during that period of time. And then comes your dinner. Have a light and early dinner. That time also stick with the plan. Stick with good lean protein and nice carbohydrate-rich dinner, which is a complex carbohydrate like oats, quinoa, brown rice, your whole wheat roti, atta. Anything will do of your choice. But try not to add too much of extra oil to it. Let it be little simple so that your body can digest, because extra oil, again, your liver has to work too much. And keep on drinking green tea with little honey and add to some flavor to it throughout the day, sip by sip. It could be decaf green tea without any kind of caffeine or tannins. So just sip on it and keep yourself hydrated. If you are fond of ice cold water, have ice cold water with flavoring. If you're fond of just plain water, just have it. But just keep yourself hydrated and rested so you don't take more than 72 hours to get back to your normal self. So by the time maybe Sunday is over, by Monday you are fit and fine. You can go to work and enjoy Monday like ever.